Punjab was one of the most established provinces of all India, and Lahore was the capital. So Lahore had the best education institutions at that time, like Islamia College Lahore, Government College Lahore, HSN College. And then there was the famous Minto Park, then known as the Minto Park in Lahore, where there used to be a lot of cricket. So the base was set, you see. Lahore had more cricket facilities. There were very famous clubs established during pre-partition days, like Crescent Club, Mojood Cricket Club, Friends Cricket Club. So all these clubs served as a nursery for developing cricket.
पाकिस्तान